Hola! What's up, my little pineapples? Welcome back to my channel. I am Luly Star. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and don't forget to click on the little bell so you get all the notifications for all the videos I upload. And I have gotten this question so many times. What lipstick do you wear? So I have my top favorites, but there's one brand that I am loyal to for the past couple of months. No, not even a couple of months, for the past year. I got introduced to this brand, well, not to this brand, but to these lipsticks by my boss, who happens to love lipsticks. She's obsessed with lipsticks. If you think you're obsessed with lipsticks, no way, Jose. She's obsessed with lipsticks. So it is the Super Stay Matte Ink, and it's by Maybelline. These lipsticks have changed the game for me, you guys. I do a lot of freelance, and you know, once I'm gone, I'm gone. Either they use their lipstick or their lip gloss to retouch later, and if not, then I'm gone, you know. So I like to use something that I know they don't have to worry about later, because they're gonna be taking pictures, they're gonna be busy talking, drinking, and you want a lipstick that is gonna stay for a long time, especially if you do makeup for other people or just for yourself in general. I know I'm one that I forget to retouch my lipstick, and when my lips are drying, then I'm like, okay, they hurt, I need to put on something. These lipsticks are super affordable. They're around 10 bucks at CVS. However, they always have buy one get one 50%, or you always get the coupons if you sign up for the emails. So I'm going to show you guys these colors that are perfect for every occasion. If you guys are thinking of buying a great matte lipstick, I highly suggest you invest some couple of 20s on all the colors you like, all the colors, all the shades, or just, you know, your signature color. It might be red, it might be purple, it might be pink. They have all shades, you guys, because one, the formula is great. It's not like you feel your lips get sticky at all. Like, you feel like you have some type of moist, like when you wear chapsticks or something like that, but it's not sticky. Like, I hate when you put on a lipstick or a matte, supposed to be matte, or anything on my lips, and I'm like, I cannot speak. It's the worst. But these you feel like they're hydrated, but they don't stain. You can create all you want. They're, like they say, they're super stay. Super. I wear these lipsticks every single day, and every other day, or especially when I go out, because like I said, I forget to retouch, and then the next day I still have lipstick on. Like, what is that? This really stay. Like, if you want something to stay on your lips and you're one of those that don't have time to be retouching, you need this lipstick. Shade 10 Dreamer. This is my ultimate favorite, shade 65 Seductress. Ooh, this is the one I have on right now. '95 Visionary. Shade 50 Voyager. And last but not least, shade 5 Loyalist. Ooh. Alright, my little pineapple, so there you have it. My favorite shades from the Maybelline collection. You can get any color, like I said, that you might want. They're perfect. I highly recommend you guys to get these lipsticks. They're super affordable. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell so you guys get all my notifications. I'll see you next time. Bye.